gave me that name on the first night he met me. I said, no, that's not my name. My name's Ron Rothfield. He said, no, you're Rajaram, and from now on, from this night, you'll be known as Rajaram. But it's the same thing as looking at a tree. You look at a tree and you'll say, the fruits on this tree are ripe and delicious and gorgeous. That is a good tree. One night, Chico Marx came around to our house and we had a large Steinway grand on a white carpet. And for some reason, he came round to the house just by himself, not with the rest of the Marx Brothers. And he played for us on the Steinway piano with 2 oranges. And he played a really incredible classical piece of music holding these 2 oranges. And that was his show. Unfortunately, the dog came running into the room just after he finished and took a crap on the white carpet, which was brand new. We are going to go now to a lake that is just shimmering and floating above the earth, and we're going to go on this magical lake and get on a boat together, and we're going to paddle until we find that exotic cave, and then we're going to open the curtains and step into a room, a tunnel with 1,000 rooms, and we're going to go up to every door and listen and hear what we hear. The secret of my life is I've been with people who are really good. It's like tennis. You always play with a better player, it brings your game up. So I've always tried to meet people who are better than me, which hasn't been very difficult.